In this video, I will show you how to make text transparent in CapCut and PC. Now, in order to do that, let's head over and click onto this text option right here. And then, for example, let's only add in here a heading. So once you have clicked on that, it will be added right here. So you should be able to see it right there. As you can see, it's actually color white. So you can click onto that part, and then once you have clicked on it right here, you can have the option to actually change the basics of this one. You can click onto this T basic, and then you can change in here the color, the style, as well as all of these things that you can see right here. So for example, for this one, let's add in here some fills. So for example, let's add in here this color. And now it's actually the color purple. Now, if you want to make it transparent, we can see in here the option called opacity. You can reduce that to 0% or to any percent that you would want as long as it's transparent enough for you.